up, kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a That Nap Life video. I am playing around with some color. As you can see, new look. Who's she? It's me, NappyFu. That was so corny. I am all up on y'all screen with this honey blonde sunset looking beauty right cheer. I don't think I've ever had this kind of color on thy skin, but I think I'm here for it. Now, this is not how the wig started off, y'all. So let me show you how I got here. Y'all ready? Now, before checking in, there you go.
This week I was inspired by the book of Hebrews, chapter 11, verse 6. Now, without faith, it is impossible to please God, since the one who draws near to him must believe that he exists and that he rewards those who seek him. Amen.
Welcome back, kings, and thanks for letting me be all up on your screen. If you're new to this channel, I hope you like today's video and decide to join Team Kinks by subscribing. Shout out to today's sponsors, HerGivenHair. They sent me this unit, and when I saw it out the box, I was like, oh, okay. I don't know if my lens is doing it justice. In person, it's like a honey blonde. It's very pretty, and I always love honey blonde on chocolate skin. Like, I just feel like it's just popping, you know?
Speaking of popping, let me pop some details onto y'all about this unit. It is called the Embrace My Coily Life 100% human hair lace front wig. There is lace in the front of the wig from ear to ear. The knots already come bleached, as well as the hairline is already plucked for you, okay? Elastic band is intact, gives you 3 different adjustments you can do, and it comes with that Swiss transparent lace. That's what gives these units that realistic look. So what you see right now is the after. Let me show you the before. Unit has been washed and it is clearly dry. It's been dried for about a week. Yeah, don't judge me. I'm just getting around to recording this. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, this hairline is already plugged. Like, I don't know about y'all, but this is enough for me. I'm not going to do any extra hairline plucking. Now, other people might feel like, it's still quite a bit of hair. And if so, their units are really easy to pluck and customize to your hairline. But this is honestly a good starting point for me, and I don't need to pluck anymore. All I'm doing right now is cutting off the actual lace, okay? Getting some of that off. I started at the ear tabs, and now I'm just moving around. So one thing you're going to notice is that I'm going to leave some of the lace on there. I don't really take everything off. You see right there? This allows me that when I put it on my actual head, I can still see some areas I can trim to try to fit my hairline. So that's kind of how I like to start things off. I wet it with some water so that I can give myself a little bit of baby hairs. Y'all, when I say little, y'all see a little amount that I pulled out? A little, not a lot. I just need enough to cover up the actual lace, the line of demarcation, if you will, okay? So now we're going to get to defining the curls. I use 2 different mousse. This mousse right here is my favorite. It gets my units popping, but it's pricey, okay? So I use this one first, to get most of the units, and then I'll switch out to the dough. The dough mousse, I really do like it, but if y'all seen it in Target, which is the only place I buy it from, retail price is about $15. So I use it very sparingly, okay? I use it mainly in the front of my units where I want the coils to really be popping. So I'm just kind of getting my part defined. I'm going to do a middle part. I feel like I'm going to do a middle part. So that's how I'm starting off, and I'm just moving it back, getting the baby hairs to lay down a little bit. Now here is the dough. Look how defined it gets this unit, like even more than the regular mousse. You see, that's the dough side. This is the other mousse. Major difference. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the dough be getting that thing defined, okay? I just wish it was a little bit, I don't know, I kind of wish I got more bang for my buck with it, but I just be wise in how I use it. You know what, let me ask y'all, Team Kinks, those that like to wear curly or coily units, what do you use mousse to define your units? And if so, which one is your favorite? Give me some recommendations. I'm willing to try others, especially if it works really, really well and it's reasonably priced, okay? So let me know in the comment box below. All right, so this unit has been defined. This unit has been shaped, cut, layered, and all that great stuff. So now I'm going to leave it on the mannequin head to air dry, okay? My goal was to do it overnight, but it actually ended up being a week later. But anyway, let's get into these edge-approved methods to secure the wig. One thing I love about wigs is you can have a whole hairstyle cooking underneath. Look at that. I got flat twists, just baking in the oven, okay? And nobody would have to know. Why? Because that's my business. All right, so this is it already dried. As you can see, it is defined definition. Coils are just like waves. All right, it's the inside. That is that elastic band. It gives you 3 different options of securing it, okay? Oh wow. What's going on here? Where's the forehead? Anyway, y'all. So look, I just plopped this on. Y'all see how it kind of already is melting into the skin? That's that transparent Swiss lace. That's what give a lot of these units that realistic look. Okay, so if you're gonna get into human hair wigs and it's in your budget, definitely embrace the Swiss lace units. Okay, this is actually the first option to securing your wig. Oh, girl, what you doing? Hey. Okay, let me stop. Sorry, y'all. Use the adjustable strap. Boom. Especially if you have somewhere to you just want to get out the house real quick. You're not gonna be gone that long. That adjustable strap, especially with their units come with 3 different adjustable levels. Yeah, it will feel secure on your head. And this could work, but if you have ever experienced your wig sliding back, then this method is not for you. You need something more secure. You need the no slip allowed method, okay? Here are 2 of them. Option 1, got to be glue hairspray. Make sure it says hair spray. Hey, okay? I'm just saying. All right. So yes, this is actually how I secure my wigs majority of the time. Each night I take it off. In the morning I respray just in that one area and I leave my sides alone, which is why I said this is edge friendly, because the sides of my hair is still open and free and all I do is just smooth down the unit. Let's say you're like, but NappyFu, I'm not really trying to use got to be glue spray or the gel. No problem. Get that wig grip, y'all. Like, hello, kinks. Wig grip. I have showed this in other videos before, y'all. This right here grips my wig down and it is secure. It does not slip back. Okay, and it still gives me that seamless transition. Let me show you how secure this really does hold my wig. I'm gonna kind of pretend to put this in a little updo. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clip that down. Now look at me tug on it. Did it move? Look, pay attention to the front of my hair. Did that hairline move? Did it shift back 1 inch? 0.5 inch? No. Secured. And there you have it, y'all. 2 of my most favorite ways to secure my wig where it will not slip is the got to be glue spray or the wig grip. Now, do I still do the option in which I just use the adjustable straps that come with the unit? Yes, I do, but not if I'm going to wear my wig all day. If I'm just going to the store real quick or I'm just be chilling at home, I might do this option. But if I'm going to wear my unit all day, I'm reaching for the got to be glue spray or I'm reaching for the wig grip. The reason being, you do not want to have a slipping wig going back and you pulling it forward, going back and pulling it forward. That will be causing what? Friction. And that consistent friction from this lace material is not satin, it's not silk, it's lace, can cause some thinning in those areas. So I definitely recommend you pick up a bottle of got to be glue spray or the gel, or just simply get yourself a wig grip and call it a day. And now we have come to the Napchat question of the day. Speaking of securing your units, to those that like to wear wigs, how do you like to secure your wigs? Do you also use the wig grip? Do you use got to be, or do you use something totally different? Let us know in the comment box below. And second part is, how do you care for your kinks underneath your wig? Trust me, your responses to these questions will definitely help the next natural out. Thanks in advance.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Until then, remember, my sister, my cousin, my friend, Team Kinks, I said... Team Kinks! In order to have a healthy hair, you got to do healthy things. And talking about that, y'all know I rock wigs. Like, that's my #1 protective style. But wigs can be really good for your hair. They can be absolutely horrible. And it's not necessarily the wig, it's you. Your wigs can make you feel like I can stretch my hair for another week. And your hair is already dry and it's suffering. And because you have this wig that feels very, very moisturized, you might confuse the two. No, take care of the hair underneath them units, y'all. Very, very important. The more you keep it in an unhealthy state, the longer it will take you to get it back healthy. This tip is also for myself, reminding me, even though this wig is looking popping, popping, take it off at night and moisturize my hair before I go to bed. So don't get sucked into the convenience of the wig light, the pop my wig on real quick convenience when you know your hair underneath needs some attention. Okay?
And on that note, NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful.